let's get out there. We are on the way. Wake up early. Slept for about 3 hours yesterday. 3 hours today, 3 hours. So basically 6 hours in 2 days. And my eyes hurt like hell. I have eyes like a vampire, honestly. I'm not even kidding. I don't know, is it from the riding, from the dust, or some kind of infection? We are going to beautiful places around this part. Few springs, a lake. Then we are going to do a little bit off-roading. So yeah, it's going to be a nice day. And this is famous pizzeria Ruspante. Here's the owner. Shout out to Ruspante Pizzeria, the best pizzeria around here. And Ruspante, you can sponsor me next time when I come here. So cold and so refreshing. The watermill of the Rešković family is located on the Meyer Spring, one of several springs of the Gacka River. Check this out, guys. Check this beauty out. What a tank. Goodbye, Majerevo Vrelo. And now we are going to the lake. No cars, no cars. Perfect. Or here, yep. Okay, we are here. We are actually here. Wow, this doesn't look bad at all. I'm going to park over here. Perfect. Time to go. What do you say about the lake? Amazing, right? This red color and this blue color of the lake, blue greenish. Check out this bridge, guys. What a view. Over here. Oh look, there's a church over there, or some kind of monastery on the top of the hill. Interesting. It's right opposite the village. Oh. Oh, is this a viewpoint? Yeah, let's check out the view. Okay, let's get out there. Ta-da! What a view, what a view. If there wasn't any gravel on the road, this road would be perfect. Honestly, I'm in the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the woods, and this road is fantastic. Look at this.
Prednje mi je prokližio na šoderu. Baš na jednom dijelu, išli se može 30.
Jesi se usro, a?
Da.
Quick stop. Matija is going to woods to take a shit. I think that's the highlight of our day. I'm a little bit worried. Matija is taking a shit for half an hour. No trace of him. He went that way somewhere. I don't know. Was he eaten by bear? After 45 minutes, Matija has returned to safety. He's alive, he's well. He survived taking a shit in the forest. And as you can see, I provide you only with the best content, best quality content. I don't know what's he's talking about. Šta si rekao? We are somewhere, I don't know where. Matija doesn't know where we are, but he thinks he knows, but he doesn't. So anyways, we are on some kind of road that's supposed to be gravel, but it's not gravel. So yeah, basically we are lost in the woods somewhere, but who cares? We are just only going beaten by a bear and going to die, and yeah. We are on top of the hill, and behind this forest should be beautiful view of the windmills. Are they windmills, right? Turbines for electricity. Windmill. Yeah, I think that they're windmill. But anyways, let me show you the view. Okay, I'm done with few shots of the windmill. Matija has left home. He needs to go to work tomorrow, I think. So anyways, I will continue to the plateau to see if there are any wild horses over there. I have like 40 minutes of ride, but let's see. Let's hope that they're over there. Made it, guys, made it. There are so many horses on the field. Let's go, let's check them out. Okay, I'm done. Now quickly I need to go before it's get too dark. Okay guys, I'm going to end this video now. It was perfect ending. It was so cool. I mean, what a day, what a day. So guys, if you like the video, please hit subscribe, hit like. Plenty of more coming up. This is a small channel, support my work. It's a lot of time, a lot of traveling, a lot of money, a lot of editing, work and everything. So please share, support, like and all the stuff. See you guys in the next one. Peace.